Yeah, so breakdown, we've got really A minor, but you don't really hear it in the guitar part very much. It's very power chordy. And then I just put that in there because we never have a keyboard player when we want one. Could do that, but it sounds cool. And then the lick starts with 8, pull off 10 to 8, 9. That's that thing. And then this lick is, let's see, I got it right on the tip. That all looks right. That's not right though. Oh, so this bit about how to get around there, I like starting on the first finger because then I can hammer on to the third, and then I'll just kind of sneak my first finger back. I'll use my second finger there, whatever. I think he might do kind of one of these, like barring the second finger. I think he's kind of a giant, Mike Campbell he is. Let's see. That's that, yeah. Oh yeah, a little bit of a rake to the 5th string, fifth fret, first and second string, and then the 8th fret of the B string. And then same kind of deal, rake, but now on the G and B string to the 7th fret of the G. And then you do this thing again. Same thing, except he does a pull off from 7 to 5 and then ends up on 7 of the D string. So, and then, man, this is pissing me off. There we go. What does that say? That is a crafty bit of business from Mike Campbell. So you start with this just like, Chuck Berry style slide. And then you have just a full measure of 12/8. 1 and a 2 and 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. I can't say it and play it at the same time apparently because it's this 2/3 thing, but 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and then hammer on to the 8th fret and then slide from the 8th to the 10th fret, and then as you're sliding up on the next note on the 3rd part of the triplet, open E string again, and then just up the octave. It's a really cool trick. I mean, I can't even tell you. Like I listened to that lick a number of times and had other kind of funky ways of accomplishing it, but this is, I believe, how it is actually done. Very cool. That is why Mike Campbell is Mike Campbell. Also because he writes things like The Boys of Summer. Okay.